Hey guys, because of the coronavirus pandemic, hard for me to find the toilet paper in the store. So I finally got myself bidet for my toilet. So I'm gonna install this and check this out. And no more toilet paper. In this video, we are going to take a look at bidet toilet attachment by Brondell. With this product, you could attach bidet on any toilet very easily. And you could get that online for under $80. But first, let's do unboxing. Okay, so we are going to install in this toilet, just normal typical toilet. The first thing you have to do is take out the toilet seat. Okay, so let's do this. On most toilets, in order to take out the seats, there's a little screws on the bottom of the toilet. I'm just gonna unscrew this on both sides to take out the seat. When the seat is off, you might want to clean it a little bit before you do anything. Next, you want to shut off the water valve first, but before that, you might want to flush the toilet so the tank is empty. So now I have a little bucket I'm going to place on the bottom of the toilet just in case any kind of water drips down, so we'll catch it. Next, take out the water pipe to the tank. You don't need any tools for it, all you have to just turn with your hand. Now we are going to attach this joint on the tank side of the pipe, but first make sure you put the little rubber seal inside. Now reattach the water pipe, but first insert the rubber seal here too before you attach it. Okay, now we're gonna connect this pipe to the water controller and the bidet. For this pipe, we need to put on water seal tape, which come with the bidet. So I put the water tape on this end of the pipe. Now we need to put the bidet on top of the toilet. The bracket is adjustable, so make sure you adjust the bracket so it will fit on your toilet. Be sure to push the bidet attachment all the way to the end. Now we're going to put the toilet seat cover back on the top of the bidet attachment. Don't forget to lock this down with your screw. Finally, we are going to attach the pipe from a tank to the water controller. You also need water seal tape here too. Now at the end, turn back the water valve on so the water will go flow through. Then kind of look around and check for any kind of leak. Make sure you flush the toilet to make sure water is working. And gently turn the knob to see if the water is coming out. The water control is pretty simple. If you turn to the right, it's a self-cleaning flush. And then if you turn to the left, that's the bidet water flush. You have to really turn a little bit at a time because water pressure is really high. So you could also adjust the water hose in different angles so you could go and try on and see which one works for you the best.